Imagine having an AI-powered assistant monitoring the market alongside you and helping you trade. Welcome to the world of Skillet. Instead of relying on a single tool, Skillet provides a complete suite of advanced trading solutions, each designed to cover a different aspect of the trading experience. From smart money flow analysis and heat maps to options contract analysis, social trading intelligence, and AI-powered plugins, the platform brings everything together in one place. Let's explore what makes Skillet different. If you're interested, the link is down in the description. Let's start with the first tool inside the platform, Trinity Mode. Designed specifically for day traders, this tool displays 3 panels simultaneously for the SPXW, SPY, and QQQ markets, highlighting areas of buying and selling pressure driven by. If you prefer swing trades that last several days, Swing Mode offers a completely different perspective. This tool displays a heat map that highlights areas of concentrated options activity and different expiration dates. This helps you identify regions that may experience strong price movements in the coming days. One of the most important tools on the platform is Live Options Flow. This feature provides real-time options contract flow, allowing you to track institutional activity and smart money movements, including large trades and unusual activity. This helps you understand where capital is flowing before the market moves. Contract Drill Down is a tool that provides a detailed analysis of any options contract. It allows you to view trading volume, open interest, contract ratios, execution history, and many other key metrics. This gives you a complete and comprehensive overview of the contract you want to analyze. Skillet is not limited to data alone. It also offers a social dimension through social trading intelligence. This feature allows you to follow other traders, view their positions and ideas, and access verified performance statistics, adding a new layer of learning and interaction within the trading community. Finally, there is Agent Hub Plugins, an extension platform that enables the integration of various tools, data sources, and skills into AI agents. These plugins provide greater flexibility and allow users to fully customize the platform according to their own trading style and strategy. We offer 3 subscription plans designed to suit all experience levels. Community, $99 per month, ideal for beginners. It includes access to Discord, HeatSeeker Bot, FlowSeeker, and Nexus Beta. Initiate, $299 per month, designed for users who want to develop their strategies and achieve better results. It includes everything in the community plan, plus HeatSeeker Lite. Pro, $699 per month. The most powerful and comprehensive package for serious traders. It includes all advanced tools such as HeatSeeker Pro, Atlas Beta, one-on-one success sessions, one-to-one, and other exclusive benefits. Do you think a fraudulent platform could maintain a 4.8 out of 5 rating based on 358 reviews? Do you think that 92% of all users gave the platform a full 5-star rating? When we look at the review breakdown, we notice that the vast majority of users gave the highest possible rating, while negative reviews are barely noticeable. Let's read one of the comments. I have tried many market analysis tools, but this platform has the most accurate data. If you made it this far, you're serious. The link is down in the description.